So friends, to solve this mathematical expression, we follow the V Bode-Maas rule, which dictates the order of operation. V stands for vinculum, bar bracket, then brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, square bracket of multiplication, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now, we just break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now, first expression says, solve for the vinculum part. So now you can see the bar over here. So the bar is over 8 plus 5. We perform this operation first regardless of the signs around it. So first we solve plus 5 equals to 13. Now you can see the expression becomes is 18 minus square bracket 5 minus curly bracket 6 plus 2 and then simply 7 minus 13. Now bracket off. Second step says solve for the rounds bracket. Now solve for the innermost parenthesis 7 minus 13. 7 minus 13 equals to 6. Now multiply inside the braces. Now multiply 2 multiply by 6 minus 6 because the larger digit is 13 and you will get the answer is in minus. So minus 6 before performing the addition inside the curly braces. So simply 2 multiply by minus 6 equals to minus 12. Now the result becomes 18 minus square bracket 5 minus curly bracket 6 minus 12 curly bracket off and then square bracket off. Now step 4. The curly braces. Perform the subtraction inside it. So 6 minus 12 which is in curly brackets. So equals to minus 6 because the larger digit is 12 as it is in negative. 18 minus 5 minus 6 is the result. Now again step 5, solve the square brackets. Apply the sign property. Here you can see a minus outside a bracket. Change the sign inside. Minus minus plus. So 5 minus 6 equals to 5 plus 6 equals to 11. Now the expression becomes 18 minus 11. Finally subtract the values and you will get 7. So now based on this strictly applied V Bode-Maas rule, so here is a note. If the bar was intended to be over a different part of the expression like 7 minus 8. So if the sign was different, so the answer might match one of the multiple choice options. So for example, ignoring the bar entirely lead to the option 27. Otherwise, our answer is 7 is the correct answer of this expression. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.